To be successful in your social life and career, you need to learn computer and speak English well. But do you find it difficult to speak English fluently and confidently? Are you looking for best English speaking with Computer Education Institute? There is one institute that can fulfill your English speaking and computer requirement. Introducing Rioel Education Foundation, an institute of English and computer, an ISO certified institute registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. We offers basic to advanced spoken English for all kids to adults. We provide basic course, DTP, Tally, Web Designing, Diploma, ADCA, ADFA and E-Accounting. We focus on personality development to overcome stage fear. Special features, qualified and experienced faculty, 100% job assistance with valid computer certificate for government jobs, fully AC and smart digital classroom, computer lab, small batch size, online test, regular evaluation and feedback. We are committed to provide excellent, safe and secure CCTV infrastructure. Visit our center now. Head office WZ 243 second floor, above Patanjali store, Indrapuri, New Delhi 110012. Call 9811803810 and 999955 3665.